गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज अनन्या हियर एंड यू आर वाचिंग इंटीरियर माता। मुझे पता है आप एक इंटीरियर मेकओवर वीडियो के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ सम प्रोडक्ट डिलेज एंड आपको पता है कि मैं कैसी हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ मुझे होता ही है। जब तक मैं पर्टिकुलरली मुझे जो चाहिए वो नहीं मिलता है, आई कीप डूइंग इट ओवर एंड ओवर। वो वीडियो फ्राइडे का आने वाला है, प्लीज़ वेट फॉर दैट। बट आज की जो वीडियो है वहाँ पे हम लोग मेकओवर करने वाले हैं इस ट्रंक को। दिस इज हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू लुक आफ्टर फिनिशिंग. And yeah, let's get started with the video. And if you try similar things, and if you have tried similar things, don't forget to tag me in my Instagram. My Instagram ID is interior mata. Let's get started with the video.
So this is the trunk I'm going to do a makeover with. We got this from a local shop, local kabarika shop within 200 rupees, and I'm super excited about it. So let's start with smoothing the outer layer because there are so many marks, and I'm going to use acrylic paint to paint this trunk. But what you can do is you can use any kind of oil paint to do it. But to be honest, oil paint takes a longer time and you need primering for that. So I'm skipping that part and doing it with the color. I'm not going to heavy use it, but if you are a person going to heavy use this as a center table or maybe something else, maybe as a storage, so definitely go ahead and use oil paint. Asian paint, oil paints can work just fine. So this is a magenta color and I just love how the color is looking. This is kind of a dark pink. You get magenta color, right? And absolutely love it. I'm using a roller because if you use brush takes a longer time to give you the finishing that you are looking for, and it might not be as smooth as the roller is. So make sure that you use a roller to do this DIY. Okay. So for the inside, I'm taking this sky blue color for this is also acrylic paint and sky blue acrylic paint. I think this combination will look really nice, and look, the finishing is really awesome. I have given 2 coats of it and looking really nice, guys. You can give 3 and 4 coat. Remember, if you are using water, if you are going to use this as a center table, don't use acrylic color, use anything else, like you can use oil color. Okay, this is the finishing that we are expecting here. As I have told you, I have used a brush and you can see the markings, but on the top and the inside we have used roller, so the finishing is really neat. So I'm going to use this stencil. The stencil I have used on my recent makeover, and we use this as a wall decor, but here I'm going to use this to decorate this stencil. This is from Asian Paints. I'm going to try and find I'm going to try and link the similar ones in the description box. So just use white acrylic color and fill the gaps. That's all you have to do. You can try the same stencil arts on walls because this is a very cheap and like very reasonable way to decorate your home, and looks really beautiful. Gives you a kind of a wallpaper look. That wallpapers are usually expensive and very difficult to maintain, but stencils are very reasonable and very easy to maintain also. So I'm going to take this out slowly. As you can see, looks really good. Now what you have to do is finish the corners with a thin brush. That's what I'm doing. While I was making this DIY, I really felt that color, the white color is really overwhelming on the magenta. So I decided to go with some kind of off-white color. So I'm doing this touch up with this off-white acrylic color. You can just skip it and use, if you're using the similar colors, go with this off-white shade rather than going pure white. This because the white will pop up. You don't want that, right? You want it to be sober, and you know how I am, I like sober designs. So let me quickly finish this. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So yeah, it's more done. Okay, I'm just going to finish the corners and the trunk is ready. uh, for the handles and the lock part, I know it is broken and it is very difficult to repair it, so I'm going to give it a black color makeover. I think that's all. It's look really nice with the pop-up black color, and so I think this is done. Absolutely love how the DIY has turned out. We have tried two same stencil near to side, and this is you can use this as a center table if you are using a lower sitting. Oh my god, this looks so nice. I'm using this as a decorative storage in my home. Like I have too many cushions, so I keep my cushions inside it. Looks really good. And this is the corner that currently I'm using it. uh, you know I'll make a tour video kind of on my Instagram so that you can see how it looks in my home. But
चलो आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो। इस पूरे DIY को करने में मुझे 250 रुपीज़ लगा है, 200 रुपीज़ फॉर द ट्रंक एंड 50 रुपीज़ फॉर द कलर ऑल टुगेदर। एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़ लुकिंग, सुपर क्यूट राइट। एस्थेटिकली इट लुक्स रियली प्लीजिंग, एंड अगर आपको मॉडर्न चीज़ें पसंद है तो आपको बस मॉडर्न इसको मेकओवर देना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट्स इट। सो मिलते हैं मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। डेफिनेटली दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ मेकओवर वीडियो, इंटीरियर मेकओवर वीडियो, जिसके बारे में मैं बहुत बात कर रही थी। यू विल लव इट। So see you on Friday. तब तक के लिए bye. Love you all.